Hey everybody, I want to share a few more of my homemade attachments that I built for this tractor a few years ago. The first one is a bolt-on receiver hitch that mounts to the top of the bucket, and then on the back side I'll bring you around and show you my bolt-on chain hooks. So the receiver mount on the front has been handy for numerous reasons. It works really well as a chain hook. So if you need a pulling point in the center of the bucket, it works for that. What it's designed for, I built this goofy hitch out of a couple other hitches. This drops in there. This will give you a little bit of the extension you need and the right height so that you don't actually need to lift up the trailer. You can come underneath and then pick it up. If you just put a regular drop hitch in here, it's a little bit high. That's why I made this ridiculous extended hitch. I'm going to take you around. I'll show you the chain hooks now. So here's a close-up look of the receiver hitch. You can see how it's bolted on. It's just a piece of 2-inch receiver tubing and some 1/4-inch steel. There are 4 bolts, 2 on each side, that bolts it on. And you can see up here it's just bolted on with some washers. Okay, here's a close-up of my chain hooks. I have 2 of them. They're mounted about 4 feet apart on the bucket. I have them placed in line with the lift cylinders because there's lots of reinforcements in this area of the bucket. I found out later, when I built this, I actually bought hooks that looked like this, and then I ended up cutting the wings off and kind of turning them into weld-on hooks. I've later discovered you can buy them already cut off on the back. They're beveled. It's really easy. They're pretty inexpensive. Somewhere around like $5 each. And you just take a piece of scrap plate, do some welds, the hook to the plate, drill a couple holes for mounting, and that's all you need to do. It's real simple, real inexpensive. Anybody with a tractor bucket, definitely this is a worthwhile thing. The reason why I didn't weld the hook directly to the bucket, as you can see, the thickness is, it's kind of on the thin side, and I kind of wanted the ability to move them around if I needed to. So if I decide I need the hooks all the way at the end, I just need to drill 4 new holes and I can move it over. So bucket hooks and receiver hitch, definitely simple projects you can do for your tractor. So that'll be it for this one, guys. Check out some of the other videos. If you have any questions or comments, type them in the comments section below. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.